Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about today how to speak English confidently. Why people are not able to speak English confidently? Because they are non-native speakers. If we see the native speakers, how they speak English with full of confidence because by their childhood they are speaking in English, they are learning English and they have the environment of speaking English. But it's all right if you do not have any environment and if you are not a native speaker, but you can definitely speak like a native speaker confidently, but you need to follow some steps. What you need to follow? Try to speak. If you are not able to speak in English, so try to do one thing, learn vocabulary. And the best way to learning vocabulary is just reading. Yes, you can read every day. Take a newspaper on every day and read it. Read it for 45 minutes. Definitely you will find more than 50 words while reading and learn those words, find out those the meaning of those words. Right right time, same time, in the Google. Go to the Google and find out the meaning and the proper pronunciation so that you can use these words in your next English speech. One more thing, if you are not able to speak English confidently, so speak in front of the mirror. Yes, speak in English in front of the mirror for at least for 1 hour. You need to do practice. If you are not able to speak in English in mirror for the 1 hour, it's all right, you can spend 30 minutes. 30 minutes is more than enough. If you can speak in English in front of the mirror for 30 minutes, so you can speak in English in front of anyone for at least for 10 minutes easily, because when you will make the mistakes, so you can do the self assessment while speaking in front of the mirror, and your pronunciation will become better by the help of the reading. So you need to do these two things to improve your speaking English confidence. And definitely sure, that is why I have started for you 100-day series of English speaking. We have completed more than 90 videos. 10 videos are left to completing this 100-day series of English speaking, and I am definitely sure that if you will subscribe the channel and watch all the videos related English speaking, you will definitely learn and get to know that how to speak English confidently and fluently. But we are talking about today that how to speak English confidently. What happened when you speak with someone in English and you lose your confidence? Why you lose your confidence? Because you are not practicing English on a regular basis. What you need to do? One thing, you have to complete your bookish knowledge and your practical knowledge. Bookish knowledge is what? When you know the vocabulary, when you have the good commands over vocabulary. Forget about the tenses. Nobody can speak in English by learning tenses, but everyone can speak in English by learning vocabulary. Vocabulary is more important. If you do not have the word, you do not have the word power, so how can you speak in English? But if you have the knowledge of vocabulary, you have the knowledge of the words, so you can speak in English in front of anyone, even with the native speakers. So you just need to focus on your vocabulary and speak in front of the mirror, because when you will speak in front of the mirror, so your practice will become more effective. Yes, your practice will become more effective and you can even speak longer. One more tips I would like to tell you in these advanced tips of speaking English confidently, you can speak in front of your mobile phone. Yes, your smartphone is a very good device. You can use your smartphone for recording your own voice and audio. Use the mic. If you are not able to use a mic from your smartphone, you can buy the mic from the market and use that mic to record your own voice. And when you will record your own voice, record your own video, so this thing definitely going to help you a lot to improve your English speaking skills, because you can do the self assessment of your speaking skills. And when you can do the self assessment your speaking skills, so you can improve your English speaking practice and you will be able to speak English confidently like the native speakers. But you need to do the practice of vocabulary and you need to do the practice of speaking in front of the mirror. It means that speaking practice, you need to do the speaking practice and learning vocabulary on a regular basis. So these two things will help you a lot to improve your confidence in English speaking. So I hope you will like the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.